Hey, what's up everybody? It's Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we're doing a quick unboxing and overview of the PSA Rock 5.7 and what all comes with it. Now, there's a lot of different versions of the Rock 5.7. This one that I picked up was one of the bundles that came with a total of 10 magazines, plus a case, optic ready, and a threaded barrel. So let me show you what all comes with this one. Opening up the case that comes with it here, let's go ahead and spin this guy around and flip her open. Up here at the top, we have a couple things. You get your Palmetto State Armory sticker. You get some information about mounting an optic on this, and then you have your owner's manual. Inside then, we have a baggie here. You got a pouch here, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out, and then we might as well just pull everything out real quick. And then that's everything that comes in the case. Cool thing about this is you can move all of these around, so if you want to put a different pistol in here, you can absolutely do that. And then same thing for these mag holders here. You can unvelcro it and put it in a different spot. Other things it comes with, obviously your lock here that you're probably just gonna throw away. And then we have a baggie with all of our optic plate accessories here. Also in the bag, as you saw, we have 2 magazines. And then of course we have our pistol. Let's go ahead and take the locker out there. Throw that away. So this is the FDE version that comes RMR cut with a threaded barrel. In addition, you also have suppressor height sights, which I do plan on putting a suppressor on here. So that way you're good to go for that. The other goofy thing is this got sent to my FFL and they just had this bag on the side here, which is the 10 additional mags that come in this bundle. So there's 8 additional mags. You can see they're all the same here like this. So that's just how it comes. You get a bubble wrapped 8 mags and then the 2 that are actually in the bag. One thing to note here again, this is the RMR cut slide, but they give you all these different plates. And let's actually see what these are for. So it looks like they cut this footprint here, but then they give you the plates. This one has written on it, it says RMR. So if we want to mount a RMR optic, like a Holosun 407 or 507C. We're gonna put this plate adapter here, fasten that plate down to the slide, and then we can put our optic right on top. The other options it comes with though, this one here, this might just be a plate cover. Yep, that's exactly what this one is here. So if you don't want to run an optic, but just want that to look clean, you can put this on and then just use your screws to fasten that down. And then the last one here, let's take a look at this. This one here says DR. I'm guessing that's for a doctored cut here. So if we want to mount that on here, you can then put an optic that has that footprint. Same thing though, just put the screws in there, mount the optic, and then your screws from the optic are gonna go there on the plate. I have shot these at a range event and these are a ton of fun to shoot, especially suppressed. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna be putting 500 rounds through this bad boy, seeing how reliable it is. And we'll have another video showing you how to mount a red dot to this using the plates provided here. Until next time, have fun shooting and we'll see you soon. Thanks everybody.